Alright, so we are back on the ship. Decided to go get some lunch at Park Cafe and just relax. And some roasted vegetable pita. After a delightful lunch, we're gonna head to the boardwalk and take some pictures. Walk around the track, get some shots. Like a good glass of wine as you sail away on your own balcony. After some nice balcony hammock wine time, we are headed to Giovanni's to try that for the first time. I like walking through these trellises. Makes me want to start belting some Beauty and the Beast for some reason. Just finished a lovely meal at Giovanni's. We're gonna go check out the cruise compass, see what's shaking tonight.